Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel OhhSoPaige, and it's your girl Paige. If this is your first time watching, hit that subscribe button and make sure you give this a thumbs up. If this is not your first time watching, welcome back. So as you guys know, I'm in my Helluva Colorful Summer series, and y'all, I had already said all of this. I had recorded this whole little intro for y'all, and then I just realized nothing was recording, so this is the second go around. But anyway, as you can see, I am wearing this unit from rosewholesale.com, and let me just tell y'all that I was freaking bamboozled because the picture of this hair, and I will post it here, this hair is similar, but it is not the same, like at all. It's not the same, y'all. In the picture of this hair, as you can tell, this is definitely a deep side part, and you can tell it's definitely lace, because they were able to put it into a bun. If I tried to put this into a bun, it would not work. First of all, it came as a middle part, and I would insert clips in the end or maybe in between. Haven't decided yet. When I received this wig, you guys, it was a middle part, and it was not a deep side part. I tried to make a deep side part playing around with it when I first got it and pulled out the package. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at these colors. Wow. But when I pulled it out the bag and I looked at this part, I got so disappointed. Y'all, this part right here is like some foamy gray something that I have never seen. I don't know what this is. Like, the wig would have been fine if they would have not added whatever this foamy plate of, I don't know what it is. And then it's trimmed with like beige material, like a thick band of beige material. There's no combs in this wig whatsoever. It's just an adjustable strap in the back. So in order to create the part you guys see now, I ended up using mousse and parting it over and then tilting the wig to the side, because I couldn't go too deep because you only have like this much actual space to fake part, because everything else you start to see track lines, and then like it's like material like this. Like, you can't, that band I was talking about, it's not, like I said, it's no lace on this at all. So like, usually on lace front wigs, there's lace with little hairs like inserted in all around. Even if you have tracks, because on lace fronts, there are still tracks that come to a certain extent, but you still have like maybe an inch or so of like lace. This is not lace at all. They lied. So pretty much on the website for this hair, this is called, let me go back to it. Sorry guys. This is called a long, deep, side parting, colorful, wavy, ombre synthetic wig. Pretty long title. So this is a capless wig. It's wavy, synthetic hair, and it is a deep part. I can link it down below if y'all want to know where I got this. I don't feel like it's worth it. This was $20.19, you guys, but I've bought wigs from $19.99. They still were lace fronts, or even if they weren't lace fronts, they still were better quality than this. This sheds. Like, I don't even know what dog sheds a lot, but if you know one, this is what this hair does. It sheds so freaking much. Like, I don't even want to show y'all. Y'all see this? Okay, see this? Do you see this? This is so much freaking hair. And this is just what I laid to the side. I missed some pieces. This is just what I laid to the side. It's not even what's spread out on the ground right now, because when I was filming this, I already recorded me styling this wig before I got ready to talk to you guys. So like I said, this was like some gray, weird stuff, and that don't look nothing like a scalp. So I had to use my foundation and put it on like my contour brush and I just put that in there to kind of make it more realistic and blend in with my skin. Also, I tried to do that on the band that's right here too, to the best of my abilities. I tried to give myself some baby hairs. That was also hard because, like I said, it's not lace on the edge. So like when I was trying to create the baby hairs, y'all know I use this tool right here. Well, because this wig is so badly constructed for $20, or I guess it's, nope. Because this wig is so badly constructed for $20, when I tried to create my baby hairs, it was pulling hairs out at the same time. So while cutting, I'm losing strands from the root. So pretty much like I had to go deep off in here to create the hairs you see now, to cover up, one, the thick band, and then to also make up for what I was losing because it was shedding. So I actually had to cut my baby hairs with some scissors for both sides to make it work. So hopefully this wig looks like something to you guys. This is literally the last hair for the series. Not that I'm over the series, and not that this hair like made me not want to do Helluva Colorful Summer anymore. That's not it at all. You guys, I miss my natural hair. Like, I really do. You know, when you have weaving, you miss your natural hair. When you have your natural hair, you miss your weave. Well, my natural hair has been braided up since May. When my sister went back to Memphis from school for the summer. So my hair has been braided up for 3 months at this time. So I need to moisturize it. I mean, I've been moisturizing it every day anyway, but I miss it. It needs some tender loving care. I know it does. Y'all know I bleached it, so I've been oiling it every day to keep it moisturized, but I know it needs like a good deep conditioning treatment. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see as far as natural hair videos for all my natural hair subscribers. I know I have a lot of you guys. Let me know what products you would like for me to test out. If you also have 4C hair and there's, you know, some styles you would like to see, how they will work on you, comment down below what styles you want to see. Comment down below if there's certain brands that you would like for me to try. Comment down below if you want to see flexi rods, perm rods, if you want to see curl farmers. Like, let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below for the next coming up videos for my natural hair. I am here for you guys. So I know what I want to do, but I want to make stuff that you guys want to see. So as far as natural hair goes, let me know what you guys want to see. The next video probably for next week will be me showing you guys probably what my hair looks like right now, taking it down after being braided up for freaking 3 months, how much growth I've had, and how I bring my hair back to life after it's been braided up for so long due to weaves. So I'll go ahead and get into how I styled this hair, if you guys still care about how I styled this hair. Okay guys, so as stated before, this is the RoseWholesale.com ombre hair. This is what it looked like out the package. Still really pretty at the time. I'm not feeling this hair at the edge though. I'm not feeling the fact that it's not a lace front, because in the picture it definitely looked like a lace front. I don't know what all this thick banding is. I'm looking for combs and there's no combs, only an adjustable strap. So y'all, it's like some weird thick gray stuff on this wig. I'm not sure what this is, and it's like foamy and it makes noise. I don't like it at all. It's like squishy, and as you can see a little bit better right here, it's like gray. What is that? I don't know what it is. And as you can see, unlike the picture, this is a middle part. It's supposed to be a deep side part, so this is wrong again. So now I'm just going to go ahead and create that side part. I'm just going to go ahead and make the parting for it. But as you can see, I can't go too far over because you can start to see the tracks. So I'm gonna have to go more up on that weird gray stuff to create my side part. And I thought I could do it with my nails, but I need to actually get a comb or something. Okay, so now that I have that part right where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and grab some mousse. And it's the same mousse that I've been having, my little Lotta Body mousse. And I'm going to put that on the hair to mold and shape it to the new part. So you just use this to form the hair in a new shape now. You could also probably use water too. So I'm going to go ahead and get my scarf and tie this up and let it sit for a minute. Okay, so now that we have it in the correct part that we want, we're going to go ahead and tackle the next big step, which is going to be the baby hairs. And y'all, I had so much trouble with the baby hair. Like, this wig is trash. So y'all saw how I create my baby hair in my last tutorial for the yellow hair, and I might link an info card above for you to click if you want a more in-depth way to see how I do my baby hairs. But y'all, when I use my little razor cutter, like, it made like some spots bald and it just was not enough hair. So I was just like, what in the world? Like, WTF, what I'm supposed to do? Like, I just had to pull out random hair. Like, you see that bald spot? What is that? I had to go in and finesse with some scissors to get this done, since the razor is too much force and it was pulling out strands as well. And I did the same thing with the other side. So I used my handy dandy got to be glued and swooped down these created baby hairs, and I'm just going to tie it up with a scarf and then come back once that's dried. Lastly, I'm going to take my foundation, which is Fenty Beauty, and going to use my contour brush. I think it's Elf. And I'm going to use that to fill in the gray and make it brown so it looks more like a scalp versus whatever it is supposed to be looking like. I don't know whose scalp is gray. Maybe when you bleach your roots, maybe your scalp is gray. But yeah, this is not realistic, so I'm going to add some brown. right, guys, so as you can see, I struggled, okay, but I was able to finesse and finagle this hair enough to get it to look decent enough for pictures and decent enough in front of this camera for you guys right now. Like I said, I tried to be back as far as possible so you can see this hair is super duper long, but it's super duper thin at the same time. It kind of was like in a body wave format when I got it. So as you start to brush it, the waves like kind of disappear. Like it was way more curlier in the bag when I first got it versus when I actually took it out, put it on my head and started to brush on it. But as far as this color look, I'm loving this color look. But as far as this unit, I'm not feeling this unit. So like I said, I probably would try to dye a different unit similar to this or a more pastel version of this towards the end of the summer and bring back Helluva Colorful Summer for like 1 week. Maybe we shall see. If that's something that you guys would want to see, to give this a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to let me know what kind of natural hair videos and tutorials you would like to see, as mentioned in the beginning of this video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being subscribers and bringing my channel up, helping it to boom and grow. You guys, I'm halfway to 1,000. I'm more than halfway to 1,000 subscribers right now. Like, I can't thank you guys enough for your love and support. So keep sharing, keep giving me thumbs up, keep liking, keep subscribing. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.